Now adding a plugin into your WordPress website. Before adding a plugin, you need to know why we add plugins into the website. As you know, WordPress comes with its default functionality, and if we need to enhance it, for example, like WordPress does not have a contact form initially, but with the plugins we can modify it to send emails through the contact form plugins. Now go to your dashboard, then go to plugins, add new, and search it for contact form 7. Yes, it is. So here is your contact form plugin. You will hit install now and activate it. So in this way you can easily upload the plugins into your WordPress website. If you want to see how you can add contact form in the WordPress website, so you can see my complete video on this specific plugin. Link is in the description below.